All right, that is the international update. Let's move on now and talk about Balasore, because justice for the Balasore victim that continues. Congress party, among the other allies of the Congress as well, has now called for an Odisha Bandh today. The statewide Bandh call that has now been made by the Congress Odisha unit, and also saying when it comes to other, including left parties, Samajwadi Party and the RJD have also extended their support for this Bandh call. Remember, yesterday it was the BJD which had called for a Balasore Bandh, and there were protest pictures that came in where the police had to resort to the use of water cannons, where barricades were also breached. Many of the party karyakartas were taken in custody as well. Now what is being said that the Congress-led other opposition parties, at least 8 of them, are now backing the statewide Bandh call, and these opposition parties are now uniting in Odisha for the protest that would be carried out. What is being said as far as Rahul Gandhi is also concerned, he shared a post saying that he had a word with the victim's father and says that he has extended all possible assistance there in their fight for justice. However, the arrests that have been made by the police, we have heard that coming from the Chief Minister himself, saying that strictest possible action would be taken there. But as far as the opposition is concerned, BJD carried out a separate protest that was yesterday as far as the Bandh call was made, and a similar Bandh call that has now been also extended today by the Congress and the other opposition parties as well. So they seem to be united in the call for justice as far as the Balasore victim is also concerned. Of course, there has been other claims that have now been also been put out by the victim's family. एक बार सतीश के पास चलते हैं। सतीश हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़े हुए हैं। सतीश, कल बीजेडी की तरफ से हमने देखा धरना प्रदर्शन किया गया था, आज कांग्रेस और अन्य विपक्षी पार्टियों की तरफ से ये जो बंद का ऐलान है वो किया गया है।
देखिए, लगातार 3 दिन से प्रोटेस्ट चल रही है, धरना प्रदर्शन दिया जा रहा है। कल बीजेडी की तरफ से लोकसभा भवन घेराव किया गया था। आज कांग्रेस के साथ समेत 7 दल विपक्ष के जो दल है उनकी तरफ से प्रोटेस्ट किया जा रहा है। और ये है भुवनेश्वर का आप तस्वीर देख रहे हैं, जो इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज से एम्बुलेंस को छोड़ के सभी लोगों को रोका जा रहा है। प्राइवेट बस देखे और ट्रेन भी प्रभावित हुए हैं। ट्रेन ना कि ट्रेन को रोका जा रहा है, लेकिन ट्रेन थोड़ा डिले चल रही है। आपको तस्वीर दिखाना चाहूँगा, देखिए सब लोगों को यहाँ पर रोका जा रहा है। कांग्रेस के साथ आरजेडी और तमाम जो सीपीआई और ये जो कई सारे छोटे छोटे दल है, राजनीतिक दल, और उसके साथ साथ छात्र संगठन भी शामिल हुए हैं। और ताकि ये भुवनेश्वर पूरा उड़ीसा में इसका प्रोटेस्ट देखने को मिल रहा है। पूरा उड़ीसा प्रदेश में हर कोने से ये प्रोटेस्ट देखने को मिल रहा है। और लोग आज सुबह 6 बजे से शाम 6 बजे तक लोगों को अपील किया गया है, आप बाहर ना निकले, हमको सपोर्ट कीजिए इस विरोध प्रदर्शन में। और पूरा सरकारी बस को भी रोका जा रहा है, हर स्टॉपेज पे बस को रोका जा रहा है, बस को आगे बढ़ने नहीं दिया जा रहा है। पूरा यातायात
One call by a united opposition that includes the Congress and at least 8 other parties that has now been called for a statewide bandh, as Satish is getting us that information. Satish, आप बने रहे हमारे साथ, because as far as the big story now that is now coming in, this is a major development as far as when it comes to the college student who died allegedly on the claims of sexual harassment against a professor, and the college and the police apparently refused to act on it. This is a major allegation that has now been leveled by the victim's family. The opposition BJD had hit the streets yesterday, blaming the ruling BJP government for it. Now the girl's mother has alleged that her daughter's head of the department was a Congress worker and used to trouble her daughter relentlessly. She's further added, saying that many bad things would have happened and that had caused her daughter immense distress.
झियो कहिला मा से सार कांग्रेस पार्टी लोक आउ मु ए भलिया एबीपी रो ए भलिया प्रोग्राम का जाउची ए कुरुची बिली मो फोटो न्यूज रो टीवी रो बाहरुची आउ से देखि कि मो संगरो बहुत रिस्क लगुची, मते बहुत हैरान करूची, मते पाठ पढ़ते दउ नाही, छुआ को ठेके की कमेंट करूची, रास्ता रो मते से घेरुची, हम करूची तुम बुझे न करूची। हां बारंबार विभिन्न प्रकार कथा कहिजन ये करजन आपण सुनी छे सब खुली कोई नहीं सब कथा आउ जानि मारे सी तो कथा कहला बापा जाइले जा हां ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ ନା ନା ଆମର ସେ ଛୁଆ କେରକମ ଭଲ ହବ ତାର ପାଠ ସେ ଭଲ ପଢିବ ତାର ସେ ପାଠ ପଢାର ତାର ମନ ନାହିଁ ସେ ରାଜନୀତି କରୁଛି ସେଠି ଘୁରୁଛି ସେ ବିବିର ଘୁରୁଛି ପାର୍ଟି ପଲିଟିକ୍ସ କରୁଛି ଆଉ ଆମକୁ ସେ ମିଛ କହୁଛି ଆମର ଆମ ଆଗରେ ସେ ଏରକମ ଅଭିନୟ କରୁଛି ଆମର ସତ ଭାବି ହେଉଛି ତା କଥା ତେଣୁକରି ସବୁ ଷ୍ଟାଫ ମାନେ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ କହିଛନ୍।
Now, that has been a major allegation that has now been leveled by the victim's mother in this case. The opposition BJD also organized a massive protest yesterday outside the Bhubaneswar Assembly calling for the accountability and action, where the opposition parties have been criticizing the ruling BJP over the tragic death of the Balasore student, while the Congress has been accusing both the centre and the state for disregarding her grievances. The BJP, meanwhile, has now responded to the mother's allegations, claiming that she had specifically pointed out that the victim's HOD was actually a Congress member.
उस छात्रा के ऊपर यौन शोषण हो रहा था, एक अध्यापक ने उनको फेवर मांगा, प्रिंसिपल के पास गया, सांसद जो हमारे क्षेत्र के सांसद है प्रताप षडंगी जी उनके पास भी गया, ट्वीट किया, चीफ मिनिस्टर का ट्वीट किया, किसी ने नहीं सुना। इससे बड़ी दुर्भाग्य की बात कोई कुछ नहीं हो सकता। हमारे पार्टी ने डिसाइड किया, बीजू जनता दल ने डिसाइड किया बालासोर कल बंद रहेगा, पूरा बालासोर बंद रहेगा। हमारे भोगराई भी जो कंस्टिट्यूंसी है सब कंस्टिट्यूंसी में बंद रहेगा, दुकान बाजार स्कूल कॉलेज सब कुछ बंद रहेगा। उसके हम लोग का जो डिमांड्स है, इस छात्रा को 1 करोड़ रुपया उनके घर को कंपेंसेशन देना चाहिए।